Have you guys noticed how 99.9% of blockchain-based games feel like they were created back in the early 1980s? No? Just me? Anyway, this is about to change because I have found the 0.1% you and I were looking for, and that is Heroes of Mavia. Now, there's so much I can say about this project, but I will try to keep this nice and short and simple just so I don't overcomplicate it and add in so many details. However, I will put the link in the description for the Medium article if you want to know more details about it, but I'll cover as much as possible in this video. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Alain HM and welcome to the channel. Now, when I first look at the website of Heroes of Mavia, I see Clash of Clans. Now, for those of you who don't know what Clash of Clans is, it's basically a game you can download on your phone, which averages around 115 million players per month. That's a lot of people. Now imagine Clash of Clans, combine it with the largest play-to-earn game on the blockchain, which is Axie Infinity, you get Heroes of Mavia. Now, in Clash of Clans, when you play the game, you earn resources, you can upgrade your army, you can upgrade your base, and then you can use all these resources and put them back into the game. Basically, you do not earn real money from it. Now, with Heroes of Mavia, the things you use to play with are actually NFTs, which can be sold for cryptos, which then can be sold to real money, and you can earn Ruby and Mavia, which are the two cryptocurrencies associated with this game, which then can be transferred to real money. Now, if that's not enough for you, I'll tell you more. Think about this. Clash of Clans has 115 million players per month playing just for fun. Now imagine how many more people would play if they can earn enough money to cover their needs and to pay for their living, basically. I'm sure a lot more people would be doing it, wouldn't they? The Clash of Clans interface will most likely be crucial for the newcomers into the blockchain-based gaming, and with also the Axie Infinity game style or the play-to-earn game style will be crucial for early adopters of the crypto and NFT space to be interested in playing this game as well. So it's the best of both worlds, and I see this growing a lot in the future. Guys, before I continue, if you're enjoying this video, please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you follow me on Twitter. The link is in the description below. Now back to the video. Now I know what you're thinking. You're asking yourself, what makes this different? There are a lot of blockchain-based games out there promising these stuff, such as a token, such as building a game. What makes Heroes of Mavia different? Well, I'll tell you. Number one is that Heroes of Mafia is the first AAA labeled blockchain-based builder game. What AAA label means basically is that it signifies that this game has a high budget attached to it and that it is being produced and published by a very well-known team. Number two is that their team is stacked. Everyone has their faces showing, which means that number one, they are willing to stake their reputation out there and put their name on something. And number two, this will almost guarantee that they are gonna over deliver and give you a product like no other. And this is something that really comforts me with all NFT projects, but with this, taking a look at people who are willing to stake their reputation and people who have real world jobs and who have a reputation in the real world that they don't want to ruin, this honestly gives me a lot of confidence in projects, especially a project like this one. Number three is partnerships. A lot of projects promise you that they're gonna make a partnership with this or with that. However, Heroes of Mavia already have this covered. If you take a look at their website, they already have secured almost more than 30 partnerships, including Binance Labs, which is huge, and Crypto.com, which is even more huge, I would say. Now, Crypto.com, not only are they partnered with them, but they did secure a $2.5 million funding from Crypto.com, which shows you that this is not the typical NFT project. They are not waiting to mint out or to sell out their first public sale or whitelist sale or whatever to have enough funding to start building the game. They already have secured funding from companies like Crypto.com and they're already building and they're ready to go, which just gives me more and more confidence. What I really like about this project is that if you're someone who doesn't have time to play, you might be wondering like, this is definitely not for me. However, it could be for you. If you're someone who wants to participate in the ecosystem but not actually play the game, you can buy land, rent it out, get paid, and then exchange that money to real world money or reinvest it back into the game so you can further increase your investment later on down the road. Or if you're someone who does not have money to play, but you have time to play, what you can do is you can partner with someone, you can play with using their NFTs, basically their land and their heroes, and then what you can do is share the rewards you earn, and then hopefully this could help you sustain a living. Obviously, guys, all of the tokens that are in the game are just meant to be used in-game. However, you can definitely exchange them to cryptos, which can then be exchanged to real-world money, USD, Euro, or whatever. Now, without going into much details about the gameplay and all, I'm going to give you the three main components you need to understand about this game, and all three of them are NFTs. Number one is land. Land is basically the base you need to build on in order to play the game or rent out for others to play the game for you. Number two are the heroes, which is the soldiers basically that you use that will defend your land and attack other lands in order to earn rewards in game, which then can be used to further upgrade your base or your heroes. And number 3 is statues. Statues are things that you put in your base, which then can boost things such as your heroes. They can boost productivity, etc. So basically, these are the 3 main components you need, and they are all NFTs that can be bought and sold for a profit. Let's say you buy it right now if you think the project is going to go up or increase in size in the next year, and then you can sell when they are more valuable. Obviously, this is not financial advice, but this is another way you can participate in the Heroes of Mavia ecosystem. Now, last but not least, you guys are wondering, what are the tokens that you can earn during playing? Do you earn Ethereum? Do you earn Bitcoin? Well, no, they do have their own 2 cryptos. One of them is called Ruby and the other one is called Mavia. Ruby token can be earned by playing the game, whether it's attacking, defending, or even completing challenges. Then you would earn Ruby, which then could be used to buy in-game skins, upgrade your NFTs, and just use it for day-to-day game things. It cannot be used outside of the game. The Mavia token, on the other hand, cannot be used in-game. However, it's a governance token where you can buy NFTs with. You can sell NFTs in the NFT marketplace that they have in exchange for Mavia. And yes, they do have an NFT marketplace, and you can stake Mavia for the exchange of more Mavia at a certain percentage that they will probably announce later on. So overall, this project has it covered from all sides, whether it's the tokenomics, whether it's the gameplay, whether it's the art and how it's looking, whether it's having their own marketplace. I can name everything, not to forget the partnerships they have and the funding they have. Overall, this project is set to succeed, and honestly, I'm a big fan of it, and I think this will be one of my very long-term holds if I decide to invest, and it's looking that I will definitely invest in it. Anyway, this is definitely not financial advice to you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new here. Don't forget to join the Discord in the description to be part of my community, and also follow me on Twitter. I do give out some alpha over there and some thoughts and information about what I'm seeing in the crypto and NFT space. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one. Bye.